Hey flower friends, it is your friend in flowers again dropping in this evening. I want to invite you to join me in just 25 minutes. I'm doing seed starting with soil blocking at 8 p.m. tonight. I'm going to be running through how I do this, y'all. Look at these gorgeous hyacinth bean vines, which is kind of one of the specialty cut flowers that we offered for years. And they are growing in the 2-inch block. Look at those roots, y'all. Look at these roots. So we're going to take a closer look at these guys, as well as I'll be going through how I start seeds, why I do it this way, and demonstrating throughout the whole show tonight. So the show starts at 8 p.m. and tonight we're doing something we've never given away. We're giving away something tonight, which we haven't been doing on the Wednesday night show. And y'all, we are giving away something that we've never given away before, and that is one of my books. And I just can't wait to have one lucky viewer to win the Cut Flower Handbook. And so I hope you'll join me. If you don't have my app, you need to be in the phone app to be able to participate, not only in the comments with the other live viewers and to ask questions, because you know I do a Q&A wrap up at the very end, but to enter the giveaway. And so one lucky US or Canadian viewer will be eligible to win my book. And so this is hyacinth bean, which is a vine. I call it Jack and the Beanstalk. And we'll be looking at why do I start them in this particular block. It's because the seeds are so big, y'all. It doesn't fit in the small block like you see me use most of the time. So if you want to learn more about seed starting, how to be successful, and see how I do it, join me tonight at 8 p.m. Now, to get the app, you can actually comment app here if you'd like, and I'll DM you the link, or you can go to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop. We actually have 2 phone apps. You're looking to get the Shop app. They're both free apps. Download the Shop app, grab maybe a beverage and a snack and join me at 8, and we'll do seed starting with soil blocking. And I hope you'll be the winner of the giveaway tonight. That'll be super fun, right? So we have a great show lined up, and this Wednesday night show has turned out to be so popular. I think more people are at home and available, right, in the evening. So I just look forward to seeing you guys. And don't forget, if you're in the app, you qualify for the giveaway. You can enter for the giveaway. And we'll just have a lot of fun and do some seed starting, because I have some absolutely gorgeous seedlings out there. I'm in the grow room. The stage is in there. And I've picked some of my favorite trays of seedlings to share with you guys tonight. And if you'd like to learn more about starting seeds and doing it with soil blocking, would love for you to join me tonight for the live shopping show on seed starting with soil blocking. All right, friends, get the app and join me at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Ciao.